Nawa na ako.
Opo, Lola.
Ayoko na.
Opo, Lola.
Salamat. Pero of course, hindi lang siya sa anime or sa cartoon ginagawa.
That's right.
Voice acting is very, very diverse. You can do that in novela, in your Korean novela, from cartoons, pwede rin siya sa radio commercial. Example.
Example? Narito na ang Globe 595. Super sulit internet, may phone line ka pa. Wow, di ba?
Yan, so yan ang the voice behind your commercial. At marami pa yan, and we're going to see later on. You can see, hindi lang pang announcer ang voice acting. Pwede
Right.
siyang pang mga characters sa mismo commercial. For example, kung talagang natural kayong maarte, usually you land the mga maarte or chicken
Exactly.
roll.
Done that before, ha?
Okay. Tapos, siyempre, kailangan voice acting, kailangan gumaganyan-ganyan ka din. Para lumabas yung like, oh my God, you know my friend, he's so baho. It's like, he's a friend of my friend, and he's really sick. His feel is so bad. It's like, he's in Shangri-La, but I can still smell him here. It's like so bad.
You can see she applies physicality in her performance, even though it's just voice.
So
That's all part and parcel of voice
and
acting.
you're going to see how voice acting will be done right here at ToyCon 2008 with our voice acting competition.
Exactly, and that's why we want to introduce to you the people who form SIVAC, Society of Young Voice Artists of the Philippines.
But before I proceed, nanonood ba kayo ng Hero TV? Yes, so ano yung mga pinapanood natin dyan? Nanonood ba kayo ng
Gima?
Nagima? Bakura Gaita?
Bakura Gaita?
You're going to see later on who are the voices behind Bakura Gaita.
Would you like to see them in person?
So you see, we would like to welcome on stage to jumpstart the voice acting workshop, the president of the Society of the Young Voice Artists of the Philippines, Mr. Byron Barinuevo.
And we would also like to welcome on stage the voice behind the lead character of Bakura Gaita na nami. And Nanay Takahashi, Jo Carol Fernandez. Okay, thank you very much, Mark and Liv. Ayan, mga members din po sila ng Society of Young Voice Artists of the Philippines. And to welcome you all to the SIVAC Voice Acting Competition today here at ToyCon 2008. Yes, Jill?
Bakit?
So tell us what's the mechanics of the game.
Mechanics of the game. Of the contest. SIVAC Voice Acting Competition. Mechanics of the game. 1. On the spot, make a scene and create as many character voices as you can in a max of 2 minutes. 2. The person who makes the best voices in 2 minutes will be the winner. Ulitin ko po, mechanics of the contest. On the spot, make a scene and create as many character voices as you can in a max of 2 minutes. The person who makes the best voices in 2 minutes will be the winner.
Okay, so ibig sabihin po nun, yung mga sasali ngayon sa competition ay gagawa sila ng maraming boses in just 2 minutes. So gusto nyo ba makarinig ng sample? Gusto nyo ba? Okay, so syempre dahil gusto nyo makarinig ng sample, si Jill as a dubber, nagulat siya, di ba? Gagawa siya ngayon ng sample. So Jill, sige nga, samplean mo sila. First, Nanay Takahashi.
Gusto ko lang po sana itanong sa inyo. Nakita niyo po ba si Yano? Kasi, kanina pa ako nandito. Matagal ko nang hinahanap ang mahal sa buhay ko. Yung cheeseburger ko. Hindi ko niya binibigay. Walang yaka, Yuri. Walang yaka.
Okay, so isa sa mga bosses niya. And now, she will voice act Setsuna sa Negima 2.
Miss ko, ano ka? Anong oras po ba tayo gigising bukas? Nag-late na po tayo sa school.
Okay, so syempre meron pa yan. Sino nanonood dito ng Negima? Okay, ayan, di ba? So si Setsuna. So meron pa siyang isang character doon. Si Motsu. Kilala niyo ba si Motsu? Yung palaka.
The green.
Yung green. So okay, so ayan. Pikit kayo, tapos pakinggan niyo mabuti yung boss. Tia!
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Medyo mababa naman yung stage dito na lang. Okay, so umikot ako doon. It will take me 5 minutes. Nagulat ako dito. May toy-con, pero meron tayong voice
Acting competition. Yes,
competition. Okay. Siguro, ito yung magiging license na maging mga participants ngayong hapon na baka sakaling matap namin, mga dubbing directors, na we can invite them to join our team in dubbing sa kung saan man, regardless kung ABS, kung Channel 7, kung QTV or wherever, kahit saan. Okay? So, yung mga boses kasi importante yan kasi kung walang boses, walang anime. Diba? So, kailangan lang natin, gamitin lang natin yung resources natin dito yung voice sources para mapag-iba-iba natin yung boses. Ito yung pagbabali ng boses. Tulad yung ginagawa ni Jill kanina. Kaya siya yung winner sa
Hataw-hanep
3 sa dubbing competition. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm Danny Mandia and presently, kung nanonood kayo ng Hero TV, ako yung dubbing director ng Voltron.
Yes, and si Sir Danny rin pa. Sir Danny din po ang nag-direct ng Meteor Garden. So sa lahat ng mga fans dyan ng Meteor Garden, sila Damonsi, Shimen, yan, sila Sunshine, yan, Sir Danny po ang behind the,
Actually, natutuwa ako kasi lumalabas na naman yung craze ng Ultraman.
Yes,
So,
yung Ultraman.
actually,
So,
based from my history sa dubbing direction, I started with Ultraman, Ultraman Ace. Napanood niyo na ba yan, Han? Early 91.
exactly.
Ultraman Ace, Poseidon.
So,
Okay.
sandali lang. Siyempre, dahil nandito na yung Sir Danny, alam niyo ba yung Peter Pan? Siyempre, di ba?
Okay.
Kilala niyo ba si Smee? So, ayan. Si Sir Danny ang boses behind Smee. Alam niyo ba yon?
So, yung
sample lang.
first cartoons na dinirect ko actually for Channel 2 is yung Peter Pan. So, at the time, I'm running out of numbers. So, sabi ko, I'll take care of Smee instead. So, ito si Monterrey po yan, Wendy Villacorta, so Wendy Monterrey po yan as Captain Hope. And we have Mike Consalan, Eri Resurrection, and
Kaya naman ngayon, siyempre Sir Danny,
mga Lost Boys.
pwede niyo po ba sila samplean ng Smee? Pwede po ba?
Walang video.
Boses lang po. Sige, pikit kayo lahat. Tapos ang sample lang kayo ni Sir Danny.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
So, okay.
Marami kong ginagawa. Hindi ako makapagtayo ng damit ni Captain Hope.
Alright. So now, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome again, Mr. Danny Mandia. Thank you, Sir Danny Mandia. Okay, and now, for our next judge, he is the CEO or the founder of Creative Voices Productions, the founder of the Society of Young Voice Artists of the Philippines, and the dubbing director also. He has directed Ursula Kiss, Bokara Kaita, Negima 2, and a lot more. He is also part of Dio, and he is also behind the voices of Transformer as Cybertron, Starscream, Red Alert, and Voltron as Koran, Bubuchacha, Kuruchan, Negima, and Gatchaman as Berkache. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the voice master, Mr. Pocholo Gonzalez.
Hi, kumusta mga katoy-con? So, yes. Ba't iniwan niyo ako? Dito kayo. Huwag niyo ako iwan. Yan, abangan natin. Mamaya, panoorin natin itong mga contestants kung gaano sila kagaling mag-voice acting dahil ang mananalo dito magiging part ng talent pool ng Creative Voices Production. Okay, so mamaya na yung sample para mabilis tayo. Alright? So, to start with, for our first contestant,
Let us now welcome Mr. Virgilio Tolosa.